Good morning, second graders. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020, and the morning message for today reads, Dear Cook Cardinals, did you know that today is Leonardo da Vinci's birthday? He was born on April 15th, 1452, near Florence, Italy. Leonardo da Vinci was a famous artist. His drawing of the Vitruvian Man is on the Italian euro coin. He was also known to be a scientist and inventor during the Italian Renaissance. One of his remarkable works of art was the Mona Lisa. Mrs. Bartnick will be so happy to know that you are learning more about Da Vinci. Sincerely, your second grade teachers. P.S. Mona Lisa. So today for our share, we're going to talk about something that you would like to learn and why. So our slide says, let's share. I wish I could learn because. So think for a minute about something that you wish that you could learn and why. So something that I was thinking about that I wish I could learn would be Spanish, because then I could communicate better with other people, especially some of our friends in second grade that speak Spanish. It would help me to be able to communicate with them better if I could speak Spanish. So that's my thought for today on what I wanted to share about what I wish I could learn. And it would be great for you to think about what you could learn and share it with someone at home, perhaps a brother or sister, or your parents, or even your pet. Okay? So make it a great Wednesday. And before we go on to doing some work, just a quick little shout out to Ella Cicchini. Yesterday was her second birthday, and I know if we were at school, Mrs. Cicchini would be happy to tell you all about it. But I know that Ella had a great day, and it's so hard to believe she's 2. So happy birthday to Ella. Okay, have a great day. See you soon. Bye.